In this video, we are going to see that if your volume increases or decreases automatically while using Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, here's a quick solution for that. So what you can do is just open up the start menu and just write control panel here. Open this up, and here we can see all the options by category. If you want to set it to large icons, you can do that. And you need to click on this particular option which says sound. And here, whatever is your default speaker, just make sure you select that and click on the properties. After that, just go to enhancements and just make sure that this option is checked. Disable all enhancements. If it is not checked, just check this up and click on apply and OK. And after that, just check if the issue is resolved. If not, just go to the communications tab as well. And it says Windows can automatically adjust the volume of the different sounds when you are using your PC to place or receive the telephone calls. So maybe this is causing issue, especially if you have used or are using a telephone related software. So in that case, if you want to just uncheck this option to automatically adjust the sound, just click on do nothing and apply an OK. So that should definitely solve your problem. But if not, just go to the troubleshoot settings in the start menu. Just right here, troubleshoot settings. Just open this up. And here it says other troubleshooters. Just click on that. And under the audio, we have all the troubleshooters for all the hardwares. But on the top, we have audio. Just click on run. And after that, you have different suggestions in the troubleshoot prompter. So just read through it and just check mark on the questions so that you can get better assistance. Like it will ask you some questions. Did you hear the sound beep that is played during the scan? If you didn't hear any sound, click on no. Now it's checking your audio device driver, and based on your yes or no to different questions, it will resolve or troubleshoot your problems. And hopefully after that, you will see the problems as solved. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.